So you heard about the new Sandvik grade, either 4415 or 4425. Kind of like that's pictured right here behind me actually. And you are crossing over from a competitor and you want to know how to look to see what's going to compare. Now you can reach out to your local territory manager or you can hop on their website, and I'm going to show you that option right here. Let's go. I'm on the website and I'm actually going to be clicking right here, the spot over my head, find a tool, find replacement inserts. Obviously focusing on the new grades that are just out, and there's good reason. The amount of SFM increase and the material removal rates are blowing up the competition right now, so it's a great time to check it out. So let's say I am, you might be running right now Kennametal in your shop. And we're turning. So we've selected Kennametal, general turning, KCP25, and an FN chip breaker. So then already now here on the website, it's given us an idea for normal, tougher, or wear resistant. And then we've got normal, lighter feed, and heavier feed options for the chip breakers, and they break it down by material class. So if we're doing cast metal, we're going to be looking for a KF or a KM. And if we're doing steel, we're going to be looking for PF or PM. Then once you have that information, you can either order a pack or get in touch with a local representative to do some testing and beat it right out of there. Seriously, the biggest feedback I'm getting so far is that they're adding like 200 SFM on average to their speeds, and that material removal rate is just increasing along with it, thanks to programming an inch per rev or millimeter per rev in the world of turning. Until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning.